monsters this way.
Did you see monsters?
Yes.
What do they look like?
Brown and white.
Brown and white?
Yes.
Did they say anything to you?
No.
They didn't say anything? They didn't say hi, Hudson.
Yeah, this is Hudson.
They did?
Yeah.
Are they nice monsters?
Yes.
Did you say hi back?
No.
Are they scary or are they not scary?
Yes, scary.
They're scary?
Daddy Yeti monsters.
Where were they? Were they in our room or were they in the living room?
Living room.
What are they doing in there?
They're not in a living room. Mimi's in a living room.
Oh, well, where are the monsters?
Right in the hat.
I don't see any.
हेलो दोस्तों कैसे आप लोग
Is it behind me?
Yeah.
Hi friends.
Lovely.
How are you?
It's behind you.
What does it look like?
Guys.
Brown and white.
Brown and white?
It's not brown.
It's more brown than white? Is there more brown or more white?
Blue.
More white? Is it a happy monster or what is it? Is it mad? Is it happy?
Sad.
It's a sad monster? Why is it sad? Aw, is he okay?
I'm doing good.
It's all the monsters crying.
All the monsters are crying?
Yeah.
Well, why are they crying?
This is.
Hello.
Aw. Well, should we do something to make them happy?
Yeah.
What if you do silly faces for them?
हेलो दोस्तों कैसे
And then they laugh. Now they're happy.
That's
If you-
with you.
How are you?
Oh, who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
What's up guys? How are you? What's again?
Nana.
Who's there?
Hello
Boo.
guys.
Boo-hoo.
Oh, I'm crying.
That's a good joke. Tell Daddy what you saw. He saw monsters.
How are you guys?
I said, Nana, with you.
And he said they're sad, so I said